So I'm going to show you how to add extensions in Raycast. So open Raycast on your desktop and just click on the two dots here on the left corner, click on Settings, and here just search for Extensions, and here click on Manage Extensions. Here just record Add Key for Create Extensions. For example, Control-C to manage extensions. For example, assign the hotkey Control-M, and every time you click on Control-C extensions, tab creation pattern is created, so you must sign in here. To manage the extensions, type in Control-M, and here you will find the extensions that are currently installed, and you will be able to manage them on your Raycast. This is how to manage extensions and create them in Raycast. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.